Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and today I'm going to show you all how I got these really pretty loose waves using my Neuro CurlXL curling iron. So step one, I always have to go in with my Neuro Protect just to protect my hair against heat damage. So of course I give my hair a spray. And I'm just going to go right into it. I'm going to section off my hair and then start curling my hair starting from the top and then wrapping toward the bottom. I leave the ends of my hair out and then I count to about 10. I leave my hair on the barrel for about 10 seconds and then I'm going to release. And as you see, it just leaves a very natural looking loose wavy curl. And then I'm just going to repeat that same method across my entire head. So wrapping my hair in the barrel, holding for 10 seconds, and then I release. I'm so obsessed with the result of this curl. It's a really big, loose, very loose curl. If you're someone that's not into really tight curls, this curling iron is definitely the one for you. So this curling iron heats up to 450 degrees. Today I have the heat setting at 360 degrees. I just find that this heat setting works really great for my hair texture. This tool also has a customizable auto shut-off, which will ensure that your tool will shut off if you so happen to forget. Another really cool fun fact about this tool is that it has a Smart Sense microchip which regulates the temperature 50 times per second. And voila, you have a head full of really pretty loose waves that I am definitely going to rock all day long. But first, I'm going to take my paddle brush and just run my paddle brush through the curls just to soften it up a bit and look at this gorgeous result. So to finish it off, I'm going to use my Neuro Finishing Spray, and this is just going to lock in my style all day long. So another way that you can rock these really pretty loose waves is by pulling it into a low ponytail and leaving your bangs out in the front. I love this hairstyle. It's just a super easy way to switch things up. Before today, I think I'm just going to leave my hair down. I really just love the way that this look came out, and I hope that you all did as well. So be sure to check back every week for new videos. Bye guys.